In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove SteamGuard. Before we begin, a quick note on what this means. SteamGuard is an extra layer of protection for your Steam account. Turning it off makes signing in easier, but it also lowers your security. Only proceed if you understand the risks and you're working on a trusted device. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Give the client a moment to load your library and menus so everything is responsive. Next, look to the very top left of the Steam window and click the Steam menu. This is the small drop-down labeled Steam on Windows and Linux. On Mac OS, it appears in the menu bar at the top of your screen with the same name. From that menu, choose Settings. Depending on your operating system, this might also appear as Preferences, but it leads to the same place. A new window will open with a sidebar on the left and options on the right. In the Settings window, go to the section related to your account's security. You may see it labeled Account, Security, or a combination of both, depending on your Steam client version. Open that section so you can view your current protection status. Here, find and click Manage SteamGuard. This is the control panel for enabling or disabling the extra sign-in verification. It's where you can review what's currently active and make changes safely. Inside the SteamGuard management screen, select the option to turn off SteamGuard or disable SteamGuard. The exact wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the choice that removes the additional sign-in verification from your account. Steam will now ask you to confirm this change. You'll either receive a code by email or you'll be prompted for a Steam code from your authenticator, depending on how your protection is set up. Check your inbox for the message from Steam, and if you're using a mobile authenticator, open it to view the current code. Codes expire quickly, so enter it as soon as you have it. If the email doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder. Once you enter the correct code and confirm, Steam will process the request and remove SteamGuard from your account. You should see a confirmation in the settings window reflecting that the extra verification is now disabled. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same Manage SteamGuard area and re-enable it in just a few clicks. For most users, keeping SteamGuard on is strongly recommended to protect game libraries and purchases.